feels unreal to cry again. They say that artists need tears to write again. 'Cause all of my favorite stories end in some kind of catastrophe. But I don't need someone to save me, 'cause this music and I will never die. It's such a fuck situation.